This video might get banned because of the reason which I'm going to show you in upcoming minutes. So recently, a news got viral that a popular model which is not even a real, raking in nearly 17K a month using Instagram account and fan view, which is alternative to OnlyFans. So how? So here is Instagram account of Etiana Lopez, which is created by a agency called Clueless.ai. And it's actually not a real person, it's a fake AI profile. The beauty of this particular Instagram account is they portray as the AI actually lives in real world. Because if you see a story of this particular Instagram account, the agency is from Spain and they actually generate these images as if Hannah, which is the AI girl, lives in real world. So they share the gym pics, which is also created by the AI, and they also share the selfies as if it is a real person. So now questions may be coming on your mind that how they actually earn. So if you click on the link tree bio link here, and there is exclusive content, as you can see, there is a sensitive content. They may be creating a NSFW, not safe for work images, and selling it in platform like OnlyFans or FanView. So if you click on this, a new profile will open called It Etiana, and it's a FanView account which has a subscription of $7 per month. So maybe they are creating an NSFW images of this AI model and selling it for such subscription. And not only this, they have created another model. If you go to the URL here, I will link all the links in the description box where you can see it yourself. So on their website, they have created another model. If you click on the model menu here, and they have created another model called Maya Lima. And if you click on this, they have created an Argentinian girl and Etiana was a Spanish girl. So they have created two different AI models. So the reason behind they have created this because they were fed up of real models out there and their egos. So they have created the AI model for themselves to promote brands. So that's crazy, isn't it? So in this video, I'm going to give you a closest solution to create a AI girl like this for your next AI model adventure on Instagram and start earning out of it. So this solution is only for those who are not computer geek or because the creation of images like this requires deep machine learning. So you have to be a computer geek to create such images. But in this video, I'm going to give you a solution which you can create AI girl for yourself and create a multiple images of that particular girl, and you can create n number of models and also can create an NSFW, which is a nudes. Obviously we are not going to cover nudes here because it's on the YouTube. So the solution is this DreamGF.AI. So it will create a AI girlfriend for you. You can chat with it. You can create a custom photos depending on the various filters. So I'm going to blur the NSFW part of the images of these websites. So you have to go to this. You will find the link in the description box. So the interface is pretty neat. As you can see on the left side, you can create a AI girl, my girls, fetish, rewards, and you can explore that bio on. But I'm just giving you a solution how you can create an AI girl for yourself. And if you see there are meet our best AI girlfriends, you can just browse it and have an inspiration for yourself. So now let's see for the pricing. So for the pricing, you can create in for free, create one girl for free, and you can create a one image for free. You can check that out in the description box. And for creating a number of images, you can create a number of girls 25, and for each 25 you can create 150 images for the price of $9.99. So let's get on the solution. So there's a create AI girl, and there you have a different set of options here. Okay, first is default is very basic. Go to the silver plan because it will be a more realistic than the default model here. Okay, and now going to the following filters. As you can see here, there is ethnicity. So so choose however you want. Like if I want to create an Arab girl, you can just click on Arab. Let's create a Aussie girl. Okay, and there is a age you want to specify that 18, 20, and if you can also create a granny GF, but I think it will be pervy. So I will keep it between 20s. And there is a body type. So this is a body by skinny, fit, chubby, and muscular. I will choose the fit. You can choose muscular, chubby to make it a more muscles or more mass. And there is a face value. So face value is different type of face values here. So if you want a nerd, yes, I want a nerd because I want to make it a look real. So I want it a nerd fit babe from Australia. So there is a hair color. You can pick any color out of the. So I like the blonde, and there's a hairstyle. You can pick up the hairstyle however you want. So I like the curly short or the curly long. So I prefer the curly long hair. And there is a breast size. You can go on naughty on this. Let's just put it out large. And there is a butt size also. I would put it at a medium. So there is a clothes. There can be skirt. There can be leggings. The gym. So let's just be a modest. You can play all naughty with it. Just depend on you. So let's see more options here. So I will prefer the jeans for now because it is going to be on YouTube. So I'm going to be very specific here. So photo style, you want to be a 3/4 to the waist, towards the waist or full body. I want it a full body. So tattoos, you can include the tattoos or not. I don't want to include because there will be different types of tattoos on if you create multiple images. So it will look fake. So I don't want any tattoos on it. And this is the environment where you want the image to be. So there are different types of environment here, but I just prefer on the street. Just look at the street photo and just click on next. Now there is a profile of how your girl gonna behave. So if you want it to be a casual, there's a girlfriend, or if you want it to be a stepmom and so on. So let's just focus on the girlfriend name. So girlfriend name, you can choose any. Let me type Mandy here. Okay. So there's a casual, there's a girlfriend, and if you click any of them, there will be confirm identity. So it will show you the sexual desire, how much sexual desire you want in your AI avatar, and there's the attitude. So attitude neutral, bad, and just go along with it. And there's a number of here. So I just want it to be a girlfriend. Let's just confirm this identity. And there is the hobbies. Okay. Just type select 2 or 3 types because it will display results based on this. So let's just go to gaming. I want a gaming characteristic to my AI art. And this is a photography, which girls don't like to take photos. And there it is. And I just want to be a nerdy because I want it to be a reading. Just click on generate and let's just wait for the result. So there you go. You have got yourself a girlfriend. I think she looks stunning. And let's create a multiple photos of her. Okay. So let's click on the create. Oh, okay. So there's a nude part. We are not going to click on the nude part. It will be blurred. You can go ahead and select any choices that like here. Okay. So I'm not going to do that because it's for the YouTube. You can go on with it however you like. So with the clothes. So there are n number of filters available here. Like there's a fur coat, there's a photo shoots, and go on with it. So I want it to be a supermodel and I wanted a full body and I want that model to be in the club. So if you click on generate, let's see if it actually replicate this type of image here. There you go. So model looks pretty similar with the different spectacles here and you can go on and on with it. Let's see if I want to create a Barbie out of her and it should be in, I think club suits better and should be a full body or you can choose a 3 to 4 to the waist. If you want to create a portrait, then you should choose the 3x4. So let's create a 3x4 to waist and click on generate. Okay, so the new photo is there you go. So it has created another pig sitting in a club and that's how you can easily create n number of it and upload it to your Instagram account or create an AI model to yourself. And if you if you get enough followers, redirect to them open fans or any similar platform to gain subscribers. So now you must be wondering how to deal with this watermark here. Just right click on it and save the image to the downloads. So there is a tool called watermarkremover.io. Just upload the image you have downloaded. Just here, there's a girl and I have downloaded it and boom. So you have got your logo deleted just like this. So you can go on with it all the rest of the images. So how do you like this video? If you want to get this naughty app, just follow the link in the description box and you will have it by yourself. Just test it out. If you liked it, just upgrade it and play with it. So if you have learned something from this video, do click on like button and subscribe to the channel. And for more videos and tips of AI, just click on the subscribe. We are going to create a new deep learning AI model in the upcoming months. So do subscribe to stay updated. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye.